Hello everyone. In this video, we will demonstrate the Odoo Maintenance Mode module. Apart from this, I would like to mention that if you need extensions for increasing the sales of your e-commerce store, then you can visit store.webkul.com and explore our number of products for every technology. We also have the user guide for the same in our blog sections, from where you can check the features and configuration and get to know the functionality of the extensions as well. Now let's move back to our video. Now let's see some practical implementation of this module in Odoo. Before that, you need to install the Odoo Maintenance Mode module. As you can see, the Odoo Maintenance Mode module has already been installed from the Apps menu. Now let's enable the Maintenance Mode. Navigate to Website, then Odoo Maintenance, then Maintenance Mode. The Maintenance Mode page will appear. Simply enable the Maintenance Mode option and save the configuration. As soon as the maintenance mode is activated, both the website and backend are secured for maintenance, while the administrator continues to have full access to manage the system. Now let's configure the maintenance settings. Here, you can specify the allowed IP addresses. Users accessing the website from these IP addresses can continue working during maintenance, while other visitors are redirected to the maintenance page. Now let's customize the maintenance page. You can easily change the maintenance title, description, and upload your own maintenance image here that matches your brand. All these messages are fully editable, customizable, and translatable, making it easy to provide the information in different languages. After saving the configuration, let's move to the website. Let's refresh our website. As you can see, the visitors now see a clean, responsive page instead of the regular website. The maintenance page also includes a login button. Authorized users can log in during the maintenance, while restricted users remain on the maintenance page. This ensures secure access without interrupting the administrator's work. Now let's see the notification feature. This module validates the email before saving it and ensures only valid email addresses are accepted. All the submitted email addresses are available in the backend, allowing the admin to manage them easily. Once the maintenance is completed, the admin can send notification emails to all the subscribed users in just a few clicks. The entire module is designed with a simple and user-friendly interface, making configuration and maintenance management quick and effortless. Finally, disable the maintenance mode, then save the configuration and refresh the website. As you can see, users can easily access the website. Now we can send notifications to all the users who opted to receive notifications via email when the website is live. Just click on Send Notification to Pending Mails. A pop-up will appear saying that the mail was sent successfully to the customers, and the status changes from pending to sent. That's how easily you can manage website maintenance using the Odoo Maintenance Mode module. And that's all about the functionality of this module. I hope you like it. If you have any queries, please contact us at support@webkul.com or raise a ticket at webkul.uvdesk.com. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.